Opening. Before you begin, push the perforated part of the hand strap into the studded part of the hand strap, and then press the studs through the perforations to secure the hand strap. Place the jacket face down on an even non-scratch surface. Push the release latch on the jacket outwards to release the latch clasp. Gently grip the hand strap and pull it upwards to open the backdoor cover and access the mobile system. Closing. Place the jacket face down on an even non-scratch surface. Gently swing the backdoor cover down over the opening in the jacket. While holding the backdoor cover down, push the release latch inwards to secure the backdoor cover to the jacket.